Welcome back to ProWorks TV. Today I'm painting a patio on the 21st floor of a high-rise building. I'll show you step by step how I prep and paint this concrete surface for a fresh new look. The first step is prep. I'm using a wire brush to knock down any loose debris, dirt, or paint on the surface. Surface prep is key. The cleaner and smoother it is now, the better the paint will stick. Alright, so now I got the surface for the most part clean. You can see the worst areas were right in here, these two spots. So the next step is I'm going to use this brush and I'm going to cut in all the edges and corners. I did put some tape on the railings here, but I'm not going to tape the whole thing. So I'm going to start here in this corner and we're going to work all the way around. Alright, so I have everything cut in, all the edges, all the corners there, and now the easy part. I'm going to take this roller and roll the rest in. Chose a pretty good day to do this. It was like maybe 80, 82 degrees, no rain in the forecast, so the weather worked out perfect for this project. And that's it. A simple, clean patio transformation, all done on the 21st floor with amazing view. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY and repair projects.